Number 1. Water and water-rich foods. Water is one of the most overlooked yet essential elements of weight loss. Proper hydration supports metabolism, digestion, and appetite control. Drinking water before meals helps reduce calorie intake by promoting fullness. Water-rich foods such as cucumbers, watermelon, and soups also contribute to hydration while being low in calories. Many people confuse thirst with hunger, which leads to unnecessary eating. Drinking enough water throughout the day prevents this mistake. Fast weight loss does not require extreme diets or unhealthy restrictions. It requires consistent, intelligent food choices that support the body rather than harm it. By including these 10 healthy foods in your daily routine, you can lose weight naturally while improving your overall health. The key is consistency, portion control, and patience. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more health and nutrition content. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which food you will add to your diet first.